So I promised you a Scotia's Grave video where I want to give you a little bit of info on the situation. So it was interesting because when I went up there to confirm that the sign is gone, marking the entrance to Scotia's Grave, I did meet somebody, and I don't want to go into huge specifics because it's anonymous, right? But the person did seem to be a local, and when I talked to them about the situation, they seemed to be a little bit hesitant when I was talking to them. In the beginning, they certainly weren't hearing what I was saying, because this place I have a huge affinity for. Myself and my friends' family were up there when we were very young. Like, we used to go up there all the time. So I'm almost 41 years old. We were going up there 30 years ago. And my father will tell you that they were going up there for decades, right? So this place is a long-term, long-standing heritage site. Now, the problem you have is that it has been investigated. It seems, from what I read, it doesn't seem like there was a huge investigation into the reality of the place. Unless we can get the access to what they actually said and what they actually did, then it remains a little bit suspect.